Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the device to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, let's open up the Files app, and from here I want to go into Categories, and you should see your two storages right here. So you have the internal storage and the memory card. Now I need to first find my pictures that I'll use as an example, and I believe there will be in here. So yep, there they are. So if you're looking for photos and videos that I have captured with the device, they will always be located under the DCIM folder. The location of this folder might vary. It might be on your phone, which is the internal storage, or on the SD card, depending if you agreed that the phone can save on there instead of on the device itself. So just basically when you insert a card, sometimes it asks you if you want to use this as a default storage. And if you choose yes, then the same folder will be on the SD card. But for me, it's saving on the device, as I just checked. So like I said, videos and photos can be found here that have been captured with the device. Then you have a folder called Pictures right here, where you should have screenshots in here. So there it is, screenshots. And then you also have the download folder right here, where it will contain anything that I have downloaded using this device. So anywhere from like a web browser or email, anything that I have downloaded will be here. And anything else in here is placed by the user themselves. So if you have basically moved something to the device, you probably placed it in all the other folders yourself, so you'll most likely know that it's there. So from here, I'm gonna use the photos as an example. So you want to, number one, select them, and you do this by just simply holding the file. As you can see, I'm gonna hold it, and after a moment it just becomes like, it adds this check mark, and you can add on additional ones to select more. You can also select all of them by tapping right here, like so. And if you, for instance, want to, you can also select the folder itself, and that will select basically everything that is inside of there. So once you have selected all the things that you wish, now you have two options. You can either copy or move the files. So while moving them, it will completely remove them from where they are right now and move them to a new location, while copy will just create an additional set of it while keeping the old ones where they are right now. So I'm going to choose move, and once you tap on the move, you then want to go where you wish to move it. So because the files right now are on the phone itself, I'm gonna go back till I have the option to move it to the memory card. So there it is, memory card. And from here I can either move it straight to the memory card, just right here where there are only two folders, or I can also create another one and call it, for instance, the same name, DCIM, just to keep it organized, and place it in there. But at this moment I won't bother with creating a folder. If you wish, you can just tap on the plus button right there to new folder and name it whatever you want. But like I said, I'm not gonna bother, so I'm gonna tap on move, and there it is. So you can see that there is now another folder called camera, and in here we have the images that I have captured as an example for this purpose. And if I go back to the internal storage and DCIM, you can see that there is nothing in here anymore. So that is how you remove files. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.